Hey Kaikille! Welcome back to my channel, and today's lesson we'll dive into numbers and counting in Finnish. Learning numbers is essentially for everyday life, whether you're shopping, telling time, or just chatting. So let's get started. Numbers in Finnish is called numerot.
So the basic numbers in Finnish, of course, will start from 1 to 10, and in Finnish it's called perusnumerot. So in here I have here two categories, the Finnish word nolla and its pronunciation in English. So notice that I have here double letter and they are separated, which means that you have to pronounce them separately. For example, nolla. Again, in this category, it's in English pronunciation. So we have here yksi. You remember that the Y in Finnish is actually pronounced as Ö, as in the German Ö. So this one will be yksi. Okay, next, kaksi, kolme, neljä. Okay, again, this one, notice that the Y here is pronounced in the English alphabet, even though in the Finnish letter it's J, because the pronunciation of J is Y. So it will be neljä, viisi, kuusi, seitsemän, kahdeksan, yhdeksän, kymmenen. Now let's move on to numbers 11 through 20. So in Finnish, these numbers are formed by combining the words for 10 and the respective unit. So for example, we have here the yksi, which is the first number, and its 10th form is toista. So it will be like 11. And the pronunciation will be yksitoista, kaksitoista, kolmetoista, neljätoista, viisitoista, kuusitoista, seitsemäntoista, kahdeksantoista, 19 and 20. So of course you can practice these as well at your home, and you can repeat after me as I pronounce each words or numbers. Yksitoista, kaksitoista, kolmetoista, neljätoista, viisitoista, kuusitoista, seitsemäntoista, kahdeksantoista, 19 and 20. Once you know the first 20 numbers, counting becomes even easier. Here's how to say the tens in Finnish. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, notice that I have here two numbers, kaksi and kymmentä, and they are combined. So in Finnish, you don't have to put a space in between two numbers. Alright, now let's try to count beyond 20. 21. Notice again that I have here three numbers that were combined together. Kaksi, kymmentä, and yksi. Then again, there are no spaces in between them. Let's continue. 35, 47, 52, 68, 71, 83, 94, 108. And then of course, let's try counting beyond 100 and try to notice what rules can we notice in here. 101, 110, 113, 140, 200, 300. So I want you to notice in here that 101 has only one A, one A, one A, and one A. While in here, two A's. That is because 100 to 199 numbers should only have one A in their SATA, and then 200 and beyond, 200 at least 999 should have two A's in it. Meanwhile, counting beyond 1000 has a similarity with the rules in 100. For example, 200 and then 200, 6,000. So in here again, if it's 1000 up to 1999, it's only 200. But then if it's 2000 and beyond, it will be 200. For example, 6,000, 7,563 or 7,563. Miljoona or 1 million.
Great. Now remember, practice makes perfect. And of course, the more you use these numbers, the more natural it will feel as you pronounce them.
Numbers are everywhere. So let's see how they are used in daily life. So for example, when you are shopping, you might need to say prices or quantities. So let's see the practical uses of numbers. For example, kuinka paljon tämä maksaa? Kuinka paljon tämä maksaa? How much does this cost? Se maksaa 25 euroa. It costs 25 euros. Minulla on 2 omenaa. I have 2 apples. Let's see some more examples. Mikä sinun osoite on? Or what is your address? And then of course you could answer, minun osoite on Ruukkupolku 13A 54, and then the post number 01600 and Vantaa. Kuinka vanha sinä olet? Or how old are you? You could say, olen 27 vuotta vanha. I am 27 years old. Mikä sinun puhelinnumero on? Or what is your phone number? You could answer, minun puhelinnumero on 045 167 4991.
Try using these sentences next time you are in a Finnish speaking environment. It's a great way to practice. And you know, that's it for today. Now you know how to count in Finnish and use numbers in everyday situations. Practice counting at home and don't be afraid to use these numbers in real conversations. If you have any questions or need more examples, just leave a comment below and then I'll try to answer it. Alright, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Finnish language lessons. Kiitos for watching and see you in the next video. Hey hey!